Yeah, this storm's really building up. Just to give you some idea of the storm front that's coming through, I'll just pan around a bit. I'll go off to my right. It's roughly the northern side of the storm. There's another one off to the right of it. It's a different storm cell. I'll just pan round. See that low black cloud there. I'll just pan up a bit higher. That's roughly the southern end of that storm front coming through. Starting to pick up a bit of speed now. And I'll just see if I can zoom in here. I don't know if you can see it in camera. The slight green tinge that indicates hail. So this is going to be a real nasty one. I don't know how much longer I can stay here. Okay folks, just about ready to pack up and move. I've got to drive back through this. There's storms over my place at the moment, and these low level clouds, the way they're moving, circulating, there's a lot of wind in it, and it's just starting to rain, so I've got to pack up my bongos and get the hell out of here. I don't want to be caught up on this high point when this wind comes through. Okay, see you later. Okay, storm's pretty well on top of us at the moment. I probably left it a bit late. That wind's changed direction. It's coming directly from that storm. And you can see from the trees in front of me, it's going to start picking up quite a bit. Okay, I'm going. Alright folks, just got back home. A lot of heavy rain, and the breeze is starting to pick up here. You can see in the trees. We've had worse, but it could be that some other places where this storm is crossing there, they could be getting worse conditions than this. So no hail yet, thankfully. But this is a nasty storm. Somebody's going to get a pasting from this, I can assure you. Alrighty.